Hello and welcome back to another No Problem Vegan video. Today we are making a dish traditional to Guyana, where our parents are from. We are going to show you how to make coconut choka. We purchased our frozen shredded coconut from Patel Brothers. Be sure that you are using frozen coconut shreds and not dried coconut. You are going to start by laying out frozen shredded coconut flat onto a tray and roast it until half of it is golden brown. Here I'm using our Instant Pot air fryer and utilizing the roast setting. Be sure to check on it frequently to avoid burning and tossing the coconut occasionally to ensure it roasts evenly. What is choka, you may ask? Choka is a word used to describe how the dish is prepared. Usually a choka dish is first roasted, the spices are added, and everything is mashed all together. In this recipe, I use a more modern approach to making this dish. Originally, this dish was made using a masala brick. It's similar to a mortar and pestle. There is nothing more flavorful than when using a masala brick, but with our busy schedules, I have found an easier and faster way that works for us, so I thought I'd share it. Now that your shredded coconut is lightly roasted, you are going to add it to a high-speed blender with your other ingredients. I am using our Vitamix for blending today. For the ingredients, you will need 1 wiri pepper, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and a dash of black pepper. Add in a half cup of filtered water, and if you're using your Vitamix, use your tamper tool to really press down on the coconut for a smooth blend. Blend it until it reaches a consistency of your choice. Keep in mind that if you don't have a wiri pepper, you can substitute it for any other hot pepper. Scotch bonnet is a great alternative. Just remember to use a small piece because things can get too spicy. Traditionally, onion and garlic is used as well, however, we omit cooking with these two items in our home. Feel free to add it if that's something you think you would like. Don't be afraid to customize your food and try new things. This dish pairs particularly well with dal and rice. Here we are having it with avocados, curried squash, brown rice, and lentil dal. This entire meal was so satisfying. We thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.